General aviation is a job, but it's also a passion.
It's a bunch of passionate people all working towards a common goal.
Everybody has a sense of personal attachment with what they work on.
You have a real sense of ownership when you build something.
We build the best boats in the world.
When you see a brand new plane come in and you tear it down to almost nothing.
I would come in and I would just figure out exactly what was wrong with it and fix the problem.
And modify things that most people would be pretty intimidated to even just look at.
It was amazing to me.
We take it, we change it, we fix it.
Let's do this.
We do whatever it is we do.
You take it from where it's first cut to where you finally deliver it. You've got ownership of the whole process all the way down.
Every time I fix something, I just get this sense of like adrenaline. I'm like, yes, we got it.
We put it all back together.
You see the whole airplane come together.
It feels good.
I just built something pretty sweet.
The most gratifying moment is when you see the plane actually leave.
It's fun to see something I've made take off.
It just gives you a sense of accomplishment.
To know that I had a hand in creating or designing.
We have to make things fly.
This is somebody's baby.
You can see the end result of your work in aviation.
I was just so excited because I was like trying to keep it chill, you know, but I was like, that's my airplane.
To see them come in and see it, the look on their faces is priceless.
That is the most rewarding thing.
They come in with a state of childlike awe and they see the same thing that we see every day.
People really appreciate the effort that you put in.
We built the Fire Boss, which helps put fires out. I built this with my hand and now look at what it's doing. Poor bad boys out there saving on tons of lives and acreages and homes. Well, even my daughters are like, when we see one, it's so cool, you know? It's like, yeah, your dad makes those. It's an honor to be building these.
Every time we complete a project, I'm pretty proud of that.
People don't treat it like a job anymore. It's my project, it's my program.
Hey, we got it done.